She's got a new puppy bed. Oh, look at you, Eve. Look at her. She's been eating on them deer.
No, are you
Come
not
on,
hungry?
Weave. Walter and Marlene got you some deer or some steak.
Weave.
She's been down eating on them deer.
You puppy. You get it all. There's a piece over there. Go get it.
Whoa, you're the kitty. Hi, baby. Oh. Holy cow, she's letting you pet her. That is awesome. She's like itty bitty gift steaks. I'm good now. Jump the kitty. Get the kitty. Get the kitty. Get the kitty. You get that kitty. Get the kitty. Let me see you too. Why are you so playful whenever I touch you? Can I get you? Can I get you? You're a good girl.
Looks like I don't like it.
You're a good girl. No, duck. You show itty bitty our morning routine? There you go. There you go. You guys have a good one. Get in the buggy.